Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing about Teams meeting and how we can schedule an individual meeting in Microsoft Teams. Though we can have a direct call, if call is disabled for some user, you can move from calendar like this and you can select new meeting here like this and give a title demo meeting, or you can give meeting specific title, and here you can add attendee, like I am adding student 1 here. No need to add channel and other things. You can set time from here and send. Now this meeting link will be sent to student 1. Let's move to student 1 account and check in calendar. Here you can see demo meeting from 2 p.m. to 2:30 in student ID. In right side you can see in student account. So this student can simply click this meeting link or click this join option and join the meeting. And here in your view also you can see meeting going on. You can join by this way. Now meeting is going on. Now let's end this and let's minimize Teams and this Google Chrome window too. And next way to schedule a meeting for individual meeting or without sending email is Outlook. You can move from Outlook like this. Open Outlook app in your computer and you can move to default profile in which you want to host a meeting and move to calendar. Here you can see calendar icon. Move to calendar and here you can see new meeting option in calendar. Here you can see new meeting. Just click this. You need not to insert name, or if you want you can add to like this. And you can give subject here. If you do this, they will get email, but if you don't want to send email to, you can just remove this and copy link from here, copy hyperlink, and now you can share this link by any way, like if you are using Viber or any other mean to share, you can select, or you can directly paste here like this. Let's open this link. You can see here meeting pop-up window and meeting can be continued. Okay, here you can see meeting is going on and student 1 is in meeting and me as a host you can see in students ID here in right side. Let's close this or end meeting. By this way you can schedule individual meeting as well as you can schedule a meeting without sending information or meeting link in Outlook mail too. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.